Welcome back, guys. This is question 3.53, and the statement of it is given the joint density function which is fx of y, and that is 6 minus x minus y divided by 8, which is for the x greater than 0 and less than 2 and y greater than 2 and less than 4 and 0 elsewhere. We have to find the probability that y is greater than 1 and it is less than 3 given that x is equal to 1. Okay, so that is what we have been given. In order to solve it, let me solve it first. Okay, in order to find the probability of y given x, we have to use the conditional probability because here we have a condition that x is given. So in order to find it out, we have to use the conditional probability in which the joint density function is given as fxy and dividing it over the g of x. Okay, so this is equation A, and in this equation let me first find g of x. Okay, so g of x is what we have to integrate the function which is here, which is 6 minus x minus y whole divided by 8 and integrated with respect to y. Therefore I have to write the limits for y, which are 2 to 4. Okay, so let me integrate it, and it would be the constant outside, and here we will have 2 to 4, and the function here would be 6 minus x minus y. Okay, and dy. Okay, this is also the bracket. Now in order to solve it linearly, let me put it here, and it will be like 6 will be outside, 2 to 4 dy, also minus x will be constant for y, so therefore it will be y 2 to 4 dy, while for this y I will have 2 to 4 y dy, and here it is. Okay, so let me solve it, and it would be 1 by 8. Here we will get 4 minus 2 because here we will get y, so let me do it first. Here we will have y 2 to 4 and minus x, and here again y 2 4, and here we will have y square divided by 2 and 2 4. Okay, let me put these values, and here we will get 1 by 8, and here 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Okay, here again 4 minus 2, so I will get here 2x. Okay, here what will I get? It will be the 1 by 2 constant. Okay, and 4 for 16, 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay, so it will be what? It will be 6 here. Okay, so 12 minus 6 would be what? This will be 1 by 8, and here 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 minus 2x. Okay, or ultimately what will I get? Here we will get 1 by 4, and here 3 minus x. Okay, this is what? This is the g of x what we have here. Okay, so let me take it and put it in equation A. So in putting it in equation A, we will have y given x, and here we will have fx of y is 6 minus x minus y whole divided by what? 8. Okay, and dividing it to what? 3 minus x, okay, whole divided by 4. So ultimately what I will get? It will be 6 minus x minus y dividing it over 3 minus x. Okay, and also this 8 4, so I will get here 2. So this is what? This is for the probability of y given x. This is the equation. Now in order to find these values here, let me put the value of x equal to 1 here. Okay, so putting x equal to 1, what will I get here? It will become y given x equal to 1. Okay, this is step 2 in which I have been putting the value of x here. So putting value of x here, I will get 6 minus 1 minus y dividing it over 2, 3 minus 1. Okay, so here I will get 5 minus y whole divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, 2, 2, 4. So this is what 5 minus y divided by 4. This is for the probability of y given x equal to 1. Okay, let me move down somehow, and the last step here is to find the probability within this range. Okay, so what will I have to do here? I have to find the probability that y is greater than 1 and less than 3, given that x equal to 1 and the value of it is already given here. But in order to find this value here, in order to find it out, what do I have to do? I have to integrate this function from these values. Okay, so I have to do what here? I have to integrate the values from 1 to 3, but as we can see here very clearly, let me see the limits of y within this density function. We can see that it starts from 2 up to 4, so therefore this one will not be available here. So I have to start it from 2, and as the ending point here is 3, so therefore it will be 3, and therefore I have to put the values which are here. So it will be 5 minus y divided by 4 and integrating it with respect to y. Okay, so here putting the values here, it will be 1 by 4, and also it will be 5 to 3 dy, and also here minus 2 to 3 y dy. Okay, so this is what we have. Let me move down somehow, and here solving it, I will get 1 by 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, because here I will get y, so 3 minus 2 is 1, this is 5. Also here this is y square divided by 2, so 3 minus 2 would be what? Let me put this value here. Y square divided by 2, this is 3 to 2. Okay, this was y here, that's why I have solved it very easily. So 1 by 4. Okay, 5 minus this is 1 by 2. Okay, so 3 3 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so it will be here, so 5 minus 2.5 would be 2.5 divided by 4, or it in your book the answer is 5 by 8, so it can also be written as multiplying the numerator denominator by 2, I will get 5 by 8. So that is what, that is the solution of the question 3.53. Okay, so what was the essence here? First we have found out the probability of y given x, then putting the value of x equal to 1, we have found the value for x, and then at the end we have found out the values for the ranges of y, and that is basically found out by integrating the given values or the values we have found out from the given ranges. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.